How much does an affidavit of heirship cost? If you are wondering about the cost of an affidavit of heirship, you are not alone. This document plays a significant role in estate planning and the probate process. It helps establish the heirs of a deceased person when there is no will, allowing for the transfer of property without going through formal probate. So, how much does it actually cost to prepare and file an affidavit of heirship? The answer can vary based on several factors. First, attorney fees for drafting an affidavit typically range from about $350 to $800 for simple cases. These cases usually involve a few heirs and straightforward assets. However, if the estate is more complex, with many heirs or relatives that are hard to locate, the costs can rise to several $1,000s. The hourly rates for attorneys can also differ widely, often ranging from $195 to $500 per hour, depending on their experience and location. This means that if your situation requires more time and effort, the costs can increase significantly. In addition to attorney fees, you will also need to consider county court filing fees. These fees usually range from $20 to $75 per county where the property is located. If the estate includes properties in multiple counties, these fees can add up quickly. To summarize the typical costs, you can expect attorney preparation fees to be around $350 to $800 for simple estates. For more complex cases, it could be several $1,000s. Court filing fees are generally $20 to $75 per county. There may also be additional costs if heirs need to be served or if more documentation is required. Using an affidavit of heirship can be a cost-effective way to avoid formal probate, especially for smaller estates without a will. However, it is important to note that some third parties, like banks or title companies, may not accept an affidavit of heirship alone to transfer assets. This could complicate matters, leading to the need for a formal probate process, which can be much more expensive. In light of all this, it is wise to consult with an experienced estate attorney. They can help assess whether using an affidavit of heirship is the right choice for your specific situation and ensure that everything is prepared and filed correctly. This approach can help protect the rights of heirs and make the transfer of assets smoother according to estate law principles.